Hello there, my name is Valerie White Williams, and what I'm doing today is talking about how to do a live on YouTube. And I want to let you know this is not my only channel. My most popular channel is Vocal Splendor Studios, and that channel has over 82,000 subscribers and 19 million views. And I actually have a secondary channel, Cosmic Splendor, that is going to be monetized any day now. So this is my third channel, and yeah, it's a lot to do, 3 channels, but here I am. And so I want to talk about live streaming and how to do it, because right now on a desktop, anyone can do a live stream, and that's going to bring you more of your people. So I recommend when you start doing a live stream, you have probably maybe at least 50 subscribers or more, maybe 100, because let people know. Now, the benefit of doing live streaming with YouTube is that you can interact with your people. It's not quite like the whole Facebook thing. And I think it's easier because I know when I do Facebook Lives, it's really hard for me to look at the comments as they come by. YouTube has a much better platform for that. And so what I recommend you do is create a topic. Don't just do a Q&A or just like, hey, let's get together, because we want the video that is being filmed to still show up in the search. So I would suggest you talk of a certain topic based on your channel, and then we're going to set it up in advance. And the reason why we're going to do that is because you can get your audience ready to go. It's not like Facebook. We're like, hey, I'm going to do a live right now. People are all over the place on YouTube, so you want to give them an advance notice. And what you do is you're going to create and set up your live stream, get a thumbnail, get a title, and then schedule it. And what's going to happen is that video is going to show up with people that you've subscribed so they can do those things. So that's how it is. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to set it up. Now, I'm not going to show you how to make a thumbnail. I do recommend Canva for making thumbnails. So after you set up your video, you're going to use that thumbnail after you actually have scheduled it. So follow me to Loom. So here I am at the dashboard, and I'm going to show you how you can program and schedule a live stream. All right. Okay, so I'm going to move my head. And so what we're going to go do is you're going to click right here. Now the live is right underneath the uploads. So that's where you go. And now it's going to open up a new menu. Now what it will show you, I'm going to move this, I'm going to go move back this here, is you can either do it right now or a later date. Now, I recommend you do a later date because you want to get your people, your subscribers, and basically market your live. So you can put it on Facebook, you can advertise it anywhere you want, and it will also show up on the YouTube platform. So we're going to say later date. Now, if you do right now, it's kind of just like a Facebook Live, but right now, later date is much more efficient and better. All right, so, and then you can use streaming software. I haven't been doing those things yet, so I'm just going to use the built-in webcam. All right, and so here is the details. Now, what I've done for my channel is that it basically, I have a description that's stock that I set up in my settings, but this is where you're going to give it a title, give it a description. So I'm just going to say, new live right now. So I'm going to go new live. And you don't want to just do new live. You want it to be about a subject, like how to, I'm going to write ideal client, because this is what I talk about, is that you need to have an ideal client or subscriber. So I'm going to do that. Subscriber. Yeah, I can spell. Okay. Subscriber. Okay. Because you want to make content for your ideal subscriber, and that's what we're going to do. But anyway, this is going to be a fake one. I'm going to delete it after we're done. Okay. So there it is. And then it says live chat or live chat replay. So what happens if you want to have the live chat only be while you're actually live, then it'll erase, it won't save. But if you want to save it, you're going to click that. Now here's the participant modes, anyone or subscribers. So I recommend anyone, unless it's, you want to be special for subscribers. But if you're a new channel and you're trying to grow, do anyone. And then we have message delay. How long do you want the participants to wait between messages? Because some people type really, really fast. So you can do slow mode, but here's what I'll say. If you're just new to YouTube, you won't have that many people, don't do slow mode. But if you have tons of people and it's going to be going really, really quickly down because you want to actually read them. So the way we work in live with YouTube is you're going to read the comments and then you're going to verbalize and talk to them. Okay, so now I'm going to do this. Click next. All right, so here's what we're going to do. It says privacy, public and unlisted, or public. Okay, so if you're going to go right in, well, who would do a private video? Nobody. So if you're going to do public, everybody can watch your stream. So you're going to do, I'm going to say public right here. And then, wait a minute, I want to schedule it. Let me see if I can do both. Okay, yeah, so we're going to do public. And then we're going to schedule it. And so I'm going to pretend that I'm going to live, and then I'll delete this afterwards. So I'm going to put this schedule, and I think a good thing is like 2 weeks out. So that gives a long time for people to advertise it, because you want people to show up for your live stream. So I'm going to do that. And then, of course, pick a time based on your time zone or what do you think most of the people will be there for. And so I'm going to, because I'm on the West Coast, I would actually put it in a place that, more people on the East Coast, if you're American, just saying, will be able to watch. So I'm going to say, say 11 a.m. Okay, so just there. And then I'm going to click done right there. And then, boom. All right. So this is what it'll show. You can actually create your own thumbnail, which I recommend. This is just my channel. And then here it is, how to style, ready to go. And then everything's done. And then when it's time to go live, you're going to click go live. But right now I'm going to press done. And notice there was the share button. Let's see if we can find that, but you just can give it, let me check this in. All right, I'm going to close that. Schedule the stream. Let me see if I can find that share button. So I'm going to go into here. Yes, exactly. So what you just saw me do it is that you just clicked in. Let me do it again just to show you back. No, now I messed it up. Okay, so let me go back into content. So in case you do that, we're going to go click here to live. So these are all the videos that show up in your channel. Here is where the lives are stored. They're in a different place. Okay, and then what we're going to do is click on it. And we have the similar links. You can actually put more information, detail. You can see the analytics after the live stream is over. You will see analytics from it. And let's press these buttons. This is where you can get the shareable link right there. Or you can just go in right here and it'll show you that, the shareable link. And then when it's time, let's go back. I know they've always changed this up. So we have this upcoming. And so I'm going to click to right here. There, because that's going to open up that box. So that's the stream preview. And this is where you're going to go at the time that you've scheduled it. So you're going to go live and you're going to click right here. You've already set up your devices and your microphone, and that's what you're going to do. And you have the share button. You can share this to lots of places. There you go. You can share to email, Facebook, LinkedIn, all the popular places. And that's what I recommend that you do, is that you schedule your live stream, share it across your platform, because this is a place where you can have people interact with you. Because YouTube is not just about advertising and talking about things. You want to create a community. So we're going to go back here, and then you can ask your viewers a question right there. So you could say, hey, here's live chat. So this is something that you could do even though you've already, we're waiting to schedule it, you can still get a dialogue on it before the whole video starts. And so you can actually gain some momentum and get people excited to do your live stream. And that's going to be really fun. So I'm going to click done. I always click done, make sure everything's done. And there it is. There it's sitting there. And that's how you schedule a live stream. So I do recommend making a custom thumbnail and a catchy title about what you're talking about. And I recommend you talk about something that is going to be something that people will search for on your channel and across YouTube. So you're just not doing a Q&A. I mean, you can do a Q&A, but you should do it around a subject that your ideal clients are interested in. All right, so that's how easy it is to do a live. In fact, I should take my own advice and do one. So I think I will soon. And then we can actually get together as a community. All right. All right. So I just wanted to film you what happens when you actually schedule a live. Now, this is my other channel. This is my Vocal Splendor Studios channel, the one that's like got 82,000 subscribers and 19 million views. But guess what? Show it up. There it is. Right here. So that's the way you're going to see it. You're not going to see it on your own channel, but the people that subscribe to you will see it right there. And then it says notify me. And so that means that people are going, hey, I'm going to watch that. Notify me. Here we go. I'm going to click on it. Woohoo. So it'll tell you, oh, this live stream is about to start. Isn't that cool? So that's how it works. And unfortunately, I'm going to delete this one. And, you know, I think I'm getting excited to do lives. I think I'm ready to do lives for my YouTube success strategies. And that's how easy it is. And that's a perfect way to build community, get more people to find your content, and also get all that big, important watch hours, because watch hours are really key to get monetized, because you need to get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. So live streams could be really helpful. All right, I just want to show you that because it showed up on mine before I deleted it, and I will see you back. All right, so I hope you found this easy to do, and be honest, I haven't done a live in a long time, so I'm kind of preaching to my own choir here because it does take a little extra work to do, but it's a great way to grow your community, because when you can see people and you can respond to comments that people are typing in, now you're not going to be typing them in because you're going to talk them verbally, so they can ask you questions, they can comment, you can see the scroll go by, and you can talk about all of the things. So that's super exciting. It's going to grow your channel, it's going to grow your fan base, and I hope you found the instructions easy to follow. So let me know in the comments what happened with you when you did a live. I'd love to hear about it. And also I want to let you know that I do have a YouTube course, and it's actually a course mixed with a membership, and it's a super great deal to learn how to master YouTube. And also I have a group called YouTube Success Strategies on Facebook, and you can find all the information below in the description. All right, take care. Bye.